Welcome back to Everything You Know About Trading is Wrong. Are you a trader or a gambler? We're going to look at the difference and why it's important. Hopefully this will help some of you reflect on what you've been doing and see where you can improve. A lot of you are going to face some harsh realities today. Does this sound like you? Wants to make quick money. Does not have a strategy. Trades based on word of mouth, FOMO, FUD news, and flipping coins kind of randomly, tending to be led by their emotions. Do you use extremely high leverage? Do you risk more than half of your portfolio on any single trade? Are you randomly opening positions, over trading, and making irrational decisions? Does trading heavily impact your mood? Are you excited when you win and angry when you lose? While gambling can work sometimes, rolling the dice enough, and you'll always land on snake eyes. If you want to be successful in the trading space, you need to align with these values, focusing on long-term growth, profitability, and consistency. Every single trade you make should have a plan. Nothing should be executed in real time. This means favoring limit orders over market orders. You should create a system that is unique to your style of trading and your risk tolerance. But that's not enough. Then you must strictly obey the system you've created. Do you understand risk management principles? Are you over leveraging? In my opinion, using anything over 3x is way too much. Are you a patient trader, like a hunter waiting for its prey, allowing the market to come to you and never chasing the market, looking for high probability trade setups when they become available, and have entry and exit criteria? Do you accept your losses and your gains? This sounds crazy, but it's one of the hardest things to get used to. Removing the euphoria of winning and the anger and depression of losing is the only way to truly become a successful trader. Is trading for you fun, or is it a way to grow your wealth? This is the difference between being a trader and being a gambler. While there is risks in either field, there's a very distinct difference. A trader is akin to a professional poker player. Each hand, a professional poker player knows exactly the probability they have of winning any given combination of cards. They don't get the best cards. They get the same random distribution of cards as every other player, yet somehow seem to win world championships consecutively. This is not because of luck. These people are not gambling. They are professional traders by a different name. An amateur gambler shows up to a poker table and kind of is just there to have fun. They have unrealistic expectations of winning, and they have no system or plan to actually win. What they find is they end up doubling down on their losses and not taking their wins. This comparison is really apt. Be the professional. Win consistently over time, and know that no one trade is going to make you rich. This is a marathon by all means, not a sprint. And just like that, if you were to start sprinting in the first minute of a marathon, you'd likely be ahead for a short period of time until your stamina ran out and you fell into the back of the pack. Learn to pace yourself, control yourself, and most of all, create that plan that works for you. We're going to get into what a plan like that might look like in a future episode. Today's homework, think about these concepts. Are you a trader or are you a gambler? And what is the difference?